Eri wano mu Uganda Human Rights Commission olwaleero ya musango gwe nawaaba mu 2016 mwezi ogwokubiri utandika kuwulirwa kati 2024 myaka 8 giyiseewo era waliwo n'omusango gwe nawaaba 21 kati wayiseewo emyaka 23 tegunaba kuwulirwa ogwo nali nguwaabidde mu kiseera ekyo yali Brigadier Nobo Mayombo n'okufa yafa dda. Kale ebintu bya wano tetulinamu nnyo ssuubi nti birina kyebisobola okuyamba, naye mateeka nga bwe galagira ffe tulina okukozesa institution zonna eziriwo okulaga obutali bumativu mu nsonga eziba zitukwatako. Era kyekibaddewo olwaleero, kyennaku olwaleero looya wange Mulodi Salongo Elias Lukwago tasobodde kubeerawo kubanga kyali mugonvugonvu, ate twafuna okutegeezebwa ng'ekiseera kiweddeyo, n'olwekyo saasobola kufuna looya omulala. Naye n'ababadde nga bakuddamu ensonga zaffe era nabo babadde na muntu omu yekka, n'olwekyo n'omulodi ne bwe yandibaddewo tegwandigenze wala. Tujja kulinda olunaku olulala lunaatuweebwa.
Kano kusinziira ku mujulizi okwemulugunya kwaffe kwe twaleeta mu kakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu emyaka egisukka mu 5 egiyise nga 17 ogw'e12 2018 olwaleero okwemulugunya kwaffe tukujeeyo, omusango gwaffe tugujeeyo mu kakiiko kano kuba akakiiko mukalabira ddala kalina kyekubira. Madamu Wangadya yanga yakulira akakiiko ako avuddeyo ebiseera bingi nnyo nga ayogera mu lwatu nga voola n'okunyomola n'okuduulira abantu abawambibwako abantu baabwe, ate nga akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu ke kalina obbayamba. Avuddeyo ebiseera bingi ng'ayogera mukama ke ng'alaga alina sayidi, naye ng'ovudde ne kwekyo amateeka gaffe article eya 28 mu constitution eragira amakooti gonna n'obukiiko bonna bonna obulina okumulungulula obutakwatagana okuwuliza okwamangu ddala atuuka obwenkanya eri abantu bonna abalina okwemulugunya. Naye nze bukyanga ndeeta kwemulugunya kwange emyaka gigenda mu 6 gisukka mu 5 tebampa mukisa kweyogerako, ate lwe bampadde omukisa mulabye engeri gyeyisiza. So olw'ebyo n'ebirala bingi nnyo omusango gwaffe tugujeeyo kubanga akakiiko k'eddembe ly'obuntu si kakiiko ka ddembe ly'obuntu, wabula kana akakiiko kennyini ate ke kakozesebwa okulinnyirira eddembe ly'obuntu. Twagadde tubaanike eri ensi yonna emanye nti kakiiko keekwese bwekwesi mu kulwanirira eddembe ly'abuntu naye tekalwanirira eddembe ly'abuntu, kanyigiriza eddembe ly'abuntu nga kakulemberwa omukyalo oyo Mariam Wangadya. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala.
Ekiwandiiko kirimu ensonga zonna.
There are some formalities this court dispenses with. Actually, it's why we call it a tribunal. A withdrawal can be through a formal written letter. It can be verbal, through your lawyer or the party itself, the party that wishes to withdraw a complaint. We don't want to make it difficult to tie the hands of those who want to withdraw their cases. So this is a user-friendly court. Yes. This is a continuation of our Kampala session, starting today. It will last 3 days. We have a total of 16 complaints. And to us, every complainant, every person who comes before our court is equal. Yes, I think Article 21 talks about equal protection of the law, Article 21 of the Constitution. So, but I guess that sometimes you journalists are more interested in cases involving certain big people. Yes, so among the 16 complaints we are hearing this session, there is one case which was brought by Colonel Retired Dr. Kiza Besigye, and it is at defense level. The Attorney General brought one witness who testified today. Dr. Besigye's lawyer, Honorable, his worship the Mayor, Lord Mayor, Honorable Elias Lukwago was unable to come today. Dr. Besigye told us that he's unwell. So that case was heard. The defense witness testified, and at the next session, he will be cross-examined. The case brought by Honorable Kyagulanyi did not proceed the way we expected. At the commencement of hearing his case, his lawyers said he had a personal statement to make and to be delivered personally, which sounded a little bit queer because they are representing him. So we inquired from them whether this personal statement, as they called it, has any connection with the case before us. And the answer we got was non-committal. However, we let him present his statement. To our surprise, this statement was just intended to show contempt to our court, to humiliate members of the court, to emasculate us. And that one we cannot accept. Any court deserves respect. And we think that any leader worth the salt should know that. So he withdrew his complaint and we accordingly dismissed it.
Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, today, this morning, we have withdrawn our complaint from the Uganda Human Rights Commission because it's clearly biased, it is lacking the independence and impartiality to handle this case. I filed this case on 17th December 2018. More than 5 years, they've not been giving me a chance to a hearing. And when I was given chance to a hearing, she couldn't allow me express myself. She couldn't allow me make a personal statement. That shows that she's biased and she's not willing to defend human rights, but she is only working to entrench General Museveni and to do anything that will preserve General Museveni's rule, even if it means empowering and protecting gross human rights violations. So for that reason, we have withdrawn our complaint from this commission because this commission is clearly lacking the impartiality and lacking the independence. Olwalero,
What is the message? What is the
We're going to issue the...
we filed a case on December 17th over the violation of my rights, my right to earn a living, cancelling more than 20 of my shows, but they went ahead to cancel even many more after we filed the complaint. The complaint has never been heard. They've never given us a hearing. We complained about the enforced disappearances, but Madam Wangadya herself came out and said that the people whose families, whose spouses were demanding for are non-existent. She said they are Kyagulanyi, And today when I was making my personal statement, she blocked me. She stopped it, clearly showing that she's biased. So for that reason and many other reasons, we had no option but to withdraw our complaint from her office because she cannot be an independent, she cannot be an impartial arbiter in this matter.